We got the Level Quick primer. Since this is concrete, I'm not putting it over any marble or anything else. Let me see if we can zoom in. We're doing 101 over porous concentrate on concrete or plywood. We're doing 101. So I just put one part in, one part water, and I'm mixing it slowly. That, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it down. So right now what I'm doing is I'm applying the primer. The first time, just to give this full disclosure, I did not apply the primer. Reason being because Alright, so the very first thing we did was clean the floor. Second thing, make sure that everything was good to go on the surface. Then prime. You saw that I just applied the prime. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix. Now here's the thing. You're going to get a bucket. Get a 5-gallon bucket. And you're going to use 5.75 quarts or 5.44 liters. Don't go with the bottom part because you want this thing to flow like a little better than what they have it at. So let me say this. Get something that you can convert. Right? Get something that you can convert. I'm trying to see what this... Oh, perfect. Check this out. Perfect. When you get done using your Level Quick, this is 1 quart to make it simple. So just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill 5 of these up with water, right? And then fill 1 more in addition to that, 3/4, because it says 0.75. So you have a total of 6 of these, but you have that 6th one at 3/4. All right. Then go ahead and fill it up with water, pour it in there, and then mark your position. Once you do that, you need to stay with that direct measurement. Do not deviate from it, okay? We're working on consistency there. That's the very first thing we're going to do. Then what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add the water. We're going to slowly add the powder, slowly, and mix it with one of these big boys, all right? But we're only going to do it for 2 minutes, and the reason why we're going to do it for 2 minutes is because if you do it any longer, it can actually create a lot of air pockets and bubbles, and then when you pour it, it'll be a whole bunch of little holes in it. So anyway, that's what we're going to do, and this is one of the most important parts. This one I'm going to show you, and then we're going to go from there. All right, so now I'm going to take this complete bag. Remember, I went ahead and filled this up to the correct level, but I'm going to take this complete bag and slowly pour it in here while I'm actually mixing it. It's going to be a slow mix, but I'm going to do the whole entire thing. So let me get pouring. I have my old school in here, so it's probably best to take her out, but I'm not. So I'm going to mix it slow, and we're going to see if we can get some good consistency. Okay? So since I'm doing this by myself, I put like a little bit of the bag like a little open, and just slowly letting it come in here to get it started. Probably need just a little bit more than that. But my problem in the past, I believe, I haven't been putting enough of the material. Oh my bad, I'm probably in the way. So I'm mixing it up slowly, and
See how all that stuff look like it's just transitioning smooth?
Mm-hmm.
That's the look you kind of want by the time you start feathering everything up.
All right, y'all, so this is 10 bags from this side over here. And as you can see, I'm still gonna be short. But this is the very first thing I did. I went ahead and pulled a line from corner to corner. I mean, right now that's a little bit short, but this is the very first thing I did. I didn't show that, but just imagine that this is the first thing we do. So what I've been doing is I've been actually taking this little jack, having my line over there, and I've been actually doing this, just popping the line. And then what happens is you can see where it's the low spot and where it's good. So as you can see on that side, I don't know if you can see that red line, but let's just keep going. And I just pop the line. And I just keep going. And as you can see, the middle is pretty much level. It's the see, I don't know, it could probably be a little bit tighter. I just pop this line. And so when I get ready to come back and pour, I know where my line, where I need to focus on. Because I don't want to pour somewhere where I don't need to actually apply. I just pop that line.